Ever feel like your mind is racing? Studies show that even a 15-minute break from screens can boost your focus by 40%. Imagine what a full day could do. By stepping away, you're not just disconnecting. You're creating space for creativity, productivity, and peace of mind. Here's your challenge. Take one tech-free hour today. No phones, no screens, just you in the moment. Ready to unplug and thrive? Let me know how it goes in the comments. Stay mindful, stay balanced, because life happens offline too.